small makeup accents can really add extra pop to your lash application. Although this is not a mandatory step, many lash wearers choose to draw a thin black line along the lash line before applying the strip lashes to give their look a little extra punch. For this look, Robin uses the Kiss Colors Easy Liner to construct a perfect thin line from one end of the lash line to the other. The tip is especially constructed for mistake-proof application. Eye Envy by Kiss has over 24 lash styles to choose from. Choose a strip lash style that best fits your look. Robin wants a touch more drama and opts for a wispy lash that flares out at the outer corners. Place the lash strip against your lash line to measure the size. If the lash extends beyond your natural lash line, use your small scissors to trim them a bit by cutting the appropriate amount off the ends. Place a drop of eyelash glue on a clean surface. Eye Envy Strip Lash Adhesive is available in clear and jet black. This top-of-the-line unique formula is odor-free and will lock your lashes in place for up to 16 hours. It's the longest-lasting strip lash adhesive available. What's more, the jet black formula is a liner and an adhesive all in one. Dip an orange stick into the adhesive and apply it along the lash strip. Let it set a few seconds, then place the strip of lashes down against the root of your natural lash line. You may choose to use your fingers or tweezers to pinch along the lash line, or use an orange stick to push the lash as close to the natural hairs as possible. Be careful to use a steady hand. The lash may feel a little awkward in the beginning, but if done correctly, you'll forget you even have them on. Black liner placed at the inner corners of the eye helps to camouflage the lash band. A lash curler can be used to join your lashes with the lash strip. Be careful to only pinch at the base of the lash so as not to over-curl them. As a final touch, mascara may be applied to add a touch more volume at the base of the lash and help create a tighter seal between your lash and the natural lash. For this look, Robin uses Kiss Define in Volume Silicone Brush Mascara. Take this look up a notch by adding liner to the bottom lid. Robin makes this look a bit more dramatic using Kiss Luxury Eyeliner in Classic Black and Electrifying Silver. The black liner at the outer corners adds to the smoldering effect. The silver tone at the inner corners adds the wow factor. The trick to applying strip lashes to your client is to never let them close their eyes. When the eyes are closed, you never get the true measurement of the lash line, and the adhesive will sometimes squeeze down to the lower lashes, causing the top lash to stick to the bottom hairs. Simply ask your client to look down to the floor. This will give you the perfect angle for flawless application every time.